To start with practice set 1.4. Second example. First example is same as whatever we solved the solved example, previous example, like that. You have to solve that example number 1 of this practice set at home. I will start with the second example. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y, 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here this 10 upon x plus y, 15 upon x plus y, 2 upon x minus y, 5 upon x minus y, you will write this 10 upon x plus y as 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Such a types of the example, if the variable terms are at the denominator, at that time you have to consider for that the new variable. I will consider this 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n, because 1 upon x plus y is present in this equation also and 1 upon x plus y is present in this equation also. 1 upon x minus y is present in first equation and 1 upon x minus y is also present in the second equation. For that you have to consider let 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n, and you have to consider this equation as A. Keep in your mind this equation you have to consider as A. Give the proper name to this equation. Then if you will put 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n in above equation, that time two equations will form. 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y is equal to m, 10m plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y means n is equal to 4, and 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y is equal to m means 15m minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to n means minus 5n is equal to minus 2. From that we frame the new equations. 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Then such a type of example you have to utilize. Once you will frame the equation, that time you will use any method. I will start with the elimination method. If you want to solve this example by the substitution or graphical method or by Cramer's rule, you have to solve by any method, but I will solve this example by elimination method. Then you have to find out the values of the m and n, and after that you have to put that values in this equation A. That time you will get the values of x and y. Then I will say that if you want to remove this n term or this term n term, at that time what you have to do? You have to say that equation 1 multiplied by 5 and equation 2 multiplied by this coefficient 2. So I will say that equation 1 multiplied by 5, equation 2 multiplied by 2, and this terms has the opposite sign. In opposite sign you have to do the addition. In same sign you have to do the subtraction. Same sign means plus plus or minus minus. Then you have to do the addition. This 10 5s are 50m, 5 2s are 10n, and 5 4s are 20. Then 2 15s are 30m, 2 5s are 10n, and 2 2s are 4. You have to strike this plus 10n and minus 10n. 50m plus 30m is equal to 80m is equal to 16. Therefore, you have to transpose this 80. This 80 is multiplied by, when you will transpose this 80 that side, that becomes divided by, and this 16 upon 80 will come. But this 80 is divisible by 16. 16 1s are 16. 16 5s are 80. Therefore, m is equal to 1 upon 5. Once you will get the value of m as 1 upon 5, you have to put this value in equation 1, otherwise equation 2. I will put this value, put m is equal to 1 upon m in 1 upon 5 in equation 1. At that time equation 1 is 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5 plus 2n is equal to 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then the new equation will form. 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. You have to transpose this plus to that side, that becomes minus 2. 2n is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. You have to find out the value of n. In between 2 and n, multiplication sign. N is equal to transpose this multiplied by 2 that side, that becomes divided by 2. and you have to say that 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, n is equal to 1 will come. Means we will get the two values. One value is m is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. You have to put this m is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1 in equation A. If you will put these values here, m in equation A 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. So you have to put this m as 1 upon 5, n as 1, and this 1 means 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1. Then you have to do the multiplication, you have to shift the denominator, you have to shift this denominator in this side, shift that denominator that side. Here also shift this denominator in this side, shift this denominator in this side. Means whole term you will shift. This divided by 5 becomes multiplied by 5. Then 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1 multiplied by x plus y, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by x minus y. From that we will get the equation 5 1s are 5, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. From that we will again get the two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. You have to give the number to this equation as 3 and this equation as 4. Then what you have to do, you have to eliminate one of the term. Means in this such a type of example you have to do the 2 times elimination. So here I will eliminate this term of the y. These coefficients are same and the signs are opposite. In opposite sign you have to do the addition. I will say that equation 3 plus equation 4. Once we will add the equation 3 and 4, this y term is the same term having opposite sign. You have to strike this y term. This x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 6. In between 2 and x multiplied by sign, you have to transpose this to that side. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. X is equal to 3. Once you will get the value of x, you have to put that value in equation 3, otherwise equation 4. If I will put this x is equal to 3 in equation 3, at that time equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. You have to put this value x as 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. You have to transpose this 3 that side. This plus 3 becomes minus 3. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2 will come. Therefore, I will finalize this answer as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are the solution of given equation. Everybody understand? This example is bigger one, but once you will understand, this is very easy. So in such a type of example, if in the denominator, if the variables are there, at that time you have to consider the another variable. You have to frame the equation and you have to eliminate that terms and you have to find out the value of m and n. If you will put this m and n in equation A, at that time again you will get the new equations, and these equations if you will solve by the elimination, you will get the value of x. If you will put this value in equation 3 or equation 4, you will get the value of y, and such a way you have to solve this example. I think that this is little bit lengthy example, but once you will understand, this is very easy. Understand? Write this example properly in the notebook. Thank you.